Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you. I've had a lot of unboxings lately, but this one is actually my Christmas present. These are two Christmas presents from Chanel. So I'm unsure whether I'm going to upload this unboxing now or after Christmas. I haven't decided, but I wanted to film the true unboxing because I do need to open them quickly just to inspect them, because I haven't actually seen them in person. I picked these up using curbside pickup from Chanel because it is closed for in-person shopping right now in Toronto. Toronto's in lockdown, so I do need to look at them just in case there was something wrong and I needed to exchange it. The window is only 2 weeks, so once I've opened it and once I've inspected it and if everything's good, then they will be going under the tree. So as you can see, it is two items, a bag and an SLG, and you can see I have the beautiful Christmas packaging, which is very glittery. The glitter is everywhere, but it is so pretty. Let me just show you on the camellia is just, it's like a harder white camellia with silver glitter, and then the ribbon is a white soft ribbon with Chanel in that silver glittery lettering. So it's really, really pretty. It's just that the glitter kind of goes everywhere, but I was really happy to be able to get the Christmas packaging. It just came in. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the bag first, not the SLG, because I think the SLG is going to give away what the bag is. So, because of course they are matching like I usually like to do, have matching sets. So I'm going to try to slide this off without ruining the ribbon so that I can put it back on for when I put this under the tree. So you can see it's a pretty small box. Okay. I'm really excited to see this in person. Try not to ruin any of the packaging so that it's nice and neat for putting it back under the tree. Okay, so here's the dust bag. Oh, I'm excited to see this, to reveal. And here it is. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so this is a new bag for 21C, the cruise collection, and I believe that it is called the My Everything bag, and this is in the smaller size. I think it comes in a size bigger, but it's white caviar leather, and the leather feels really nice on this one, and it's got black hardware, which I love. It has a back pocket, which I really like. I'll have to test to see if my phone fits in there. I'm filming on my phone right now, so I can't do that, but a few things drew me to this bag. Okay, so this is how the closure works. It's a little like button closure. So you just press it in, and then there's a little button underneath to release it. And a few things drew me to it. One was the contrasting black hardware to the white. It's an actual like true white bag, and then the hardware is a shiny black, and I loved this thicker chain. So usually I'm not that drawn to seasonal bags, but this one just seemed really special, especially because of this thicker chain. I find a lot of the seasonal bags have that really thin chain, but this one is, yeah, really nice and thick. So the interior is a black fabric, and it is a 30 series. Let's see here. It was made in Italy, and it's a small bag, but it seems like it'll fit enough. Like it'll fit a decent amount for every day. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. So this is the little lock here. Still got the plastic on all the hardware. It is really, really cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. There we go. And the caviar is quite soft. It feels really nice. No feet on the bottom. It's got this white leather section of the strap, and then it has the CCs on either side. It just feels like a really nice quality bag compared to other seasonal items. And I love this generous back pocket. That's a really, I think that it should easily fit my phone, which is awesome. The string is still on here from the tag. Okay. All right, so that is my big Christmas present, is this bag. And I will share price information after I unbox the other item. Okay, let me just move this over so that I can unbox the other item for you. So you can probably guess what this is if you're familiar with this collection. Yeah, that bag is definitely the one that stood out to me out of all the bags in the cruise collection. Nothing else really stood out to me. Oh, look at the glitter all over the box. Okay, that's okay, I don't mind. So there's the care card, and so here is the matching flat card holder. So this is the same white soft caviar leather and the black CCs, and it's just the regular flat card holder with the slot, a couple of slots on the back, one on the front, and then the middle one there. And I believe this one will be a 30 series as well. Okay, so that's the little set, and this will be great to use with this bag because it's nice and slim, so it'll fit easily. So that is my Christmas reveal. So yeah, I don't know when this is going to go up, if I'm going to wait till after Christmas or if I'm just going to upload it now, but these are both going under the tree. So I won't be able to use them till after Christmas, but I'm really excited about them. And let me know what you think. Did you like this seasonal style? Do you usually like seasonal styles? I just find that I've bought seasonal styles a couple of times and I've ended up selling them. So I hope that's not the case with this one. I really feel like this one is sort of a special one. Oh, and the price information. I always forget to mention that. Let me just take a look at my receipt. Okay, so the bag was $5,325 Canadian dollars plus tax, and then the card holder was $575 plus tax. So that is the price for the, so the price is pretty high for a seasonal bag, but like I said, the quality feels really, really nice on this. Wow, yeah, I love the leather on this one. I've found that the seasonal bags haven't always had the nicest caviar, or, you know, they come with a thinner strap, just little things like that. But this one, yeah, it just feels really, really well made. Okay, so that is it for my reveal. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.